Watch the simple steps I use to achieve this head wrap in less than 5 minutes. So I'm going to start by getting my paper material. You can use any material to do this, but I use a paper material, and I first divided into equal parts, that's 50-50. Then I would like to make some pleats on my head. So for this tutorial I made 3 pleats, then I arranged them well. After that, I'm going to take the hand backward and cross it, not minding which one goes up and the one goes down because they are of equal parts. Now I'm going to come to the front to work with the excess, close them up like this, and I'm going to just pleat down a bit up here and here too. Just grab it anyhow, that is not where we're going. So you take it up like this and give it a knot. If you like, you can twist it up to that level and knot it the way I'm doing here, or you follow my step. Now this part that we have left, just stretch it out and you can make pleat down, grab it, and see the way I'm going to dip it in here. Dip it under that knotted part and pull to the back. Okay, now when you pull to the back, it remains just a little, then come back to the front and stretch this one out. Stretch it out. So what you need to do to get it done is just to focus and watch how I'm doing it. You need to watch and watch till the end. So that excess at the back, you can see I already find a way to secure it under the one I knotted. So you take this angle down and secure with office pin. The angle up too will be taken here, and we're going to secure it with another office pin before we move to work with the other part of the material. So that's my office pin and I'm securing down. I'll adjust it, then go to the other part like this, stretch it out, make some rough pleats, and you're going to dip from the back and bring the excess forward now I'm going to pull out like I did to the other part and find a way to secure this little that I have left. So I'm still pulling out here. So I'll take this one and secure it under the one I used to knot previously. Now I'm going to take the edges, this one, the edge down here, and secure. Just find a way to secure it, and I'll go to the other part, I mean the edge, and secure down as well. So once I'm done securing here, the next thing I'm going to do is go to both sides and adjust properly. So I'm going to take my time to adjust it. So the first style can be like the middle here is going to be opened up, you don't want to close it up, so you just adjust it neatly and it's going to be opened up like this. So this is the first style, and the second one, you can just match the center together and secure with office pin. So for this final look, this is what I have, and the back is just like this. I hope this is simple enough. And the second one I'm talking about, you can just bring the edges together and secure with office pin, and you have this final look. So guys, thanks for watching. If you have watched this length, I hope you have learned one or two things. If yes, let other people enjoy by sharing. Thanks.